Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add new token using contract address on Trust Wallet. So you're going to learn how to find the contract address of any token in order for you to add it to your Trust Wallet. The token I'm going to use for this demonstration is Selframe. Now, if you check my Trust Wallet now, you see that there is no Selframe here. So I'm going to search for Selframe online, copy the contract address, and I will show you exactly how to copy it and add on this wallet. Now on Google, let me search for Selframe token, right? So this is the token that I want to add. So the first thing you want to do is to go to CoinMarketCap and search for the token you want to add. Now I've searched, so I'm going to open the one of CoinMarketCap, right? So I open here, and in case you do not want to do it this way, just open CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap is a website that is used for tracking all the prices of cryptocurrencies, to track the price of all cryptocurrencies, right? So if you can download the application on your phone, or simply go to coinmarketcap.com and click on this search icon so that you can search for any token you are looking for, its contract address, right? So let me search for Selframe so that you see another way to do it. You can see Selframe already displayed in this place, so I can tap on it and now select the contract, copy the contract address and add to my Trust Wallet so that I will be able to find Selframe in my Trust Wallet. Now all you have to do is to go down, if you're using your mobile phone, and get where there is contract. Now on Trust Wallet, there are different networks that you can find a token. Now this one is on Ethereum network. If you click on more, you're going to see other networks that this coin is also bridged across. You can see BNB Smart Chain network. Now the one you're going to copy depends on the network you are using in your Trust Wallet. Let me go back to Trust Wallet and show you what I'm talking about. Now, if you check, you will see that my Trust Wallet, most of the coins here are on BNB Smart Chain. As you can see, I'm using BNB Smart Chain to buy. So if it is a coin, let's say you have Ethereum on your Trust Wallet and you wish to be transacting on Ethereum network, you can copy the contract address for Ethereum. But what I want to add is the one for BNB Smart Chain, because I have some money on it and I want it to reflect on this wallet immediately I add it. So I have some money on, I have some Selframe tokens and I want to add it here on Binance Smart Chain network. If I add Selframe on Ethereum network, I will not see that my money here. It must be on Binance Smart Chain. So I believe this explanation helps someone. So I will come over here and click on more and click on this copy icon, copy this contract address of Selframe. The next thing I want to do now is to go back to Trust Wallet and input this address and add custom token. So over here on CoinMarketCap, I will go down here and click on manage crypto, right? Click on manage crypto, then go up here and click on this plus icon. So when you click on this plus icon, you see custom assets, right, in the new Trust Wallet. If your own is not like this, please update your Trust Wallet to the latest version. Now you can see that the network here is Ethereum network, right? So what I want to do now is to change it to BNB Smart Chain network, and this is it over here. So click on this to select BNB Smart Chain network if what you are adding is on BNB Smart Chain. So I will click on long press here to paste the address that I have copied, and the next thing is to go down. Now if you copy the right address and paste here and you're using the right network, the name of the token will appear here, the symbol will appear, and the decimal will appear correctly. If you paste it and all of these fields are not filled automatically, that means you have not copied the right network. So you make sure you copy the right network and the address. And then, so let me go ahead and paste the address for Selframe, then come down, you see that self-frame ERC20 V2 has been added. You can now see that I have the symbol is CELL and the decimal is 18, right? So I didn't have to add this by myself because I copied the right address and I put the right network. This is how to add custom token on Trust Wallet. If you do not find a token you want to add on your Trust Wallet, you go to CoinMarketCap and copy the contract address using the right network. Come to Trust Wallet and paste it, then you go ahead and click on save. When you click on save, you're going to see the token in your wallet. So if you want to buy self-frame now, if you want to buy the token, you can now, or let's say you want to receive it, you can click on receive and you will see the address with which you can receive this token. Click on copy and send to wherever you want to send it from. So I'm going to allow this to refresh until my money on self-frame will reflect in this wallet. Once it reflects here, this CELL will go up, right? So I believe you enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to this channel for more crypto tutorials and how to make money trading cryptocurrency. In case you want to watch more tutorials on how to trade using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap, click on the video on the screen and I will see you over there.